Welcome back everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited to decorate for Christmas this year and I'm going to be showing you some of the new items that I've picked up this year. So I'm going to start off my haul with these beautiful garlands that I got from Rustic 24. I've actually been a customer of theirs for quite a few years. Each season I'll pick up new items for my vases and I love wreaths and garlands, and you will have seen some of their products in my videos previously. But this year they've kindly sent me some items and they've also given me a discount code for you guys, which I'll attach on the screen, and I'll also put some details below in the description box and a link to the website. But if you enter the code TROPICAL at the checkout, it'll give you 10% off your order. But I actually picked up these exact same garlands last year and I loved them so much that I chose to have another couple this year because I want to put some in the kitchen. I also got a matching pick and I'll quickly show you. These are the picks that I got from them last year, which are a little bit different. And I also picked up these last year, which they've still got on their website. So my theme for this year is pretty much the same as last year. It's kind of like a rustic woodland winter wonderland kind of theme. But I think what I'll do is I'll show you what I've bought this year and then I will decorate over the week because I've got quite a lot of bits to put up, and I realised yesterday that I'm actually missing a couple of boxes, so I need to go back into the loft to find those. But also from Rustic 24 I got these really beautiful rustic bells. Absolutely love these. I think I'm going to hang some of them on the tree, and then I think I might hang a couple of them in the kitchen as well. Also from Rustic 24 I got these lovely tree decorations, nice and rustic, lovely bronze colours which will go perfectly with my tree decor, which I actually need to find the box for somewhere in the loft. I thought I'd got everything out, but as I said, once I've got everything up I'll go around and show you how I have displayed it, because obviously it's not looking its best just lying here on the table, is it? But it's such a pretty effect on these garlands. It's like a lovely frosted effect, little pine cones mixed in. Sorry if you can hear my birds in the background, they are playing, so you might hear them talking and squeaking. So the next items that I picked up this year are from Next. First of all, we've got this lovely tea light holder bear, brown bear. I did do a slight paint job on him, which I do tend to do with a lot of shop bought products. Just made him look a little bit more rustic, did a bit of a brown wash on him. So I'm quite excited to display him. It didn't actually come with the candle, but I just added that in. It's just a little artificial tea light. Next, I've got some really lovely things in this year. I also picked up these little polar bears from there as well. I also did a little bit of a brown wash on them just to make them look a bit more rustic. Also from Next, I got this little sign which says home in antlers. I love all their antler decor. I bought my antler bowl from there a couple of years ago and I think they've still got that. But definitely have a look in Next because they have got some really nice Christmas bits. These little bits here my friend bought for me last year. We've got a cute little wooden moose and this bear, which I think was from Dunelm. Next up, I've got quite a few items that I've picked up from HomeSense, which is one of my favourite shops here in the UK. It's a partner store to TK Maxx, and I think in the US you've got TJ Maxx and I think is it Home Bargains? But I think they do similar stuff, so you might even be able to find some of the stuff that I'm showing you here in your store in the US, possibly. Let me know anyway. Quite intrigued by that. So first of all, we've got this lovely rustic star wreath. It's quite a small wreath, so this is one that's going to be displayed in my hallway, and I think this one was, I think it was $12.99, oh $7.99, and it's also got that lovely frosted effect that I've got on the garlands and the pick. And then I've got these cute little wooden hearts that have got a slight gold shimmer to them. Again, they're nice and rustic. I think these were £2.99 each, I believe. Yep, £2.99 for those. This one is also from HomeSense, and I thought he was super cute. Oops, just dropped him. Also got this rustic wooden heart, which was £3.99. It's got little gold bits in there. I really like the effect on that. It looks like tree branches. I absolutely love this wooden Christmas tree. Again from HomeSense, and that was, wow, £6.99. As I mentioned, it's definitely one of my favourite shops, and you always find some real treasures in there. So I've still got some more items from HomeSense. I've got this beautiful wreath for my front door. Again, it's got the lovely frosted effect, so it goes really well with my garlands. It's quite minimal, it's got a few pine cones in there, but that's exactly what I wanted, and I think that was £16.99, yes, £16.99 for that one. I got this little wicker deer, also from HomeSense, and I think he was £11.99 or £12.99. I'm not quite sure where he's going to go yet, possibly in the kitchen or the hallway. So another couple of things I picked up from HomeSense. Can't miss this one really. Yeah, it's huge, but how awesome is this? This was £30 and I just love it. Again, I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put this, maybe next to the tree, or I was thinking maybe at the end of the sofa there, but we'll just have to see once everything's up. And last but not least, I've also got a couple of Christmas cushions that I picked up from HomeSense. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way, but probably should be, as I do spend quite a lot of money in there. So we've got a matching pair of cushions, and it's kind of like a grey velvet on the back. And again, they're just quite neutral and kind of rustic. And you probably can't see on the video, but the pairs are like a metallic thread, really pretty. Just got another one over there. The next items I picked up from a shop called Lights for Fun. Again, I shop there every year. All my fairy lights and festoon lights in the garden are from there. And I've got quite a lot of these True Glow candles. I bought the orange ones for autumn, but I thought for Christmas these would look lovely. These are like bronze ombre effect, which I thought was really pretty. And I do have a remote control, so you just literally press a button and they all switch on. I don't have any batteries in them at the moment, but I'm really looking forward to displaying those. And then also from Lights for Fun, I picked up these little star fairy lights, and these can actually go outside. So I was planning on putting these either in one of the bushes outside my house, or I could even kind of wrap them around the wreath. I'm not quite sure yet. I'll show you what they look like switched on later on in the video. And then I also have a box of decorations that I purchased at the end of last year, so I didn't actually display these last year. I think I got them in the sales. So we've got this one here. I think I got this online from like an online garden centre. I thought that was quite nice and rustic. Got these lovely brown glass acorns, which I believe are from this shop. I'm not quite sure what's in here. Can't remember. Oh wow, those are nice. I've completely forgotten that I bought these. So they're quite heavy, they're made out of metal, but they're nice and rustic. Ooh, really like those. It's funny, isn't it, how you buy stuff, you put it away, and then you completely forget what you bought. So again, from the same shop, we've got these lovely rustic bells, set of 3. So another HomeSense purchase, I've got this Ralph Lauren table runner. And then from H&M Home, I just purchased a couple of linen napkins in this lovely neutral colour. I got some mango wood napkin rings. These placemats were also from HomeSense. I got these quite a few months ago, so I actually forgot that I had these. And then I've just found another item that I bought from Next Home. It's this lovely rustic wooden star. It's actually not wood, it's resin, but it's made to look like wood. This actually matches the wooden letters that I purchased last year from Next Home. So you can buy the letters singly to spell out whatever you want, and mine spells out cozy, of course. I could even have this at the end of the cosy, or I might display it somewhere else. Again, I think I'll just have to put things out and see what it looks like. I also got this little whitewash wooden star from HomeSense, and I got some wired ribbon, so I might make some ribbons for the tree. I also picked up these paper napkins from H&M Home, and I think they did a matching table runner, although it wasn't quite long enough for my dining table, but it was really nice. And I think they've got some lovely like woodland stag bedding at the moment as well, which I'm quite tempted by. But I've bought quite a few bits from H&M Home over the years. They've got some nice stuff in there if you've never shopped there before. So I think that's everything that I've picked up. Quite a few bits. I might have forgotten a few things, but if I do, you'll see them in a future video because I'll be doing a proper Christmas tour. So once I've put all my Christmas bits out around the house, I'll show you how I've displayed them. So here's what the wreath's looking like on my front door. It looks super pretty. And I've put a few lights that go around the door up here, and at night the light reflects off the wreath and makes it look really twinkly and sparkly. So I'm really pleased with how that's looking. Gordon's got his little bow tie on, and then I decided to put the little star lights in this bush here. You can kind of see them in the daylight, but it looks really, really pretty at night time. So that's how it's all looking out here. I have actually picked up a few new bits since I last filmed, so I'll show you those as well. I picked up this really cute little gingerbread house from HomeSense. I did repaint it because it was quite bright colours and it didn't really fit in with my kind of frosted winter wonderland theme, so I did repaint some of it. Looks a bit better now. I also picked up this candle from HomeSense. Up here on my shelving I decided to display the lovely frosted pick from Rustic 24. I think it looks lovely there behind the bears. Just gives a little bit of texture on the shelf. I decided to put the frosted garlands that I got from Rustic 24 up here in the kitchen, and it looks really, really pretty. You can see how it kind of integrates with the plants. Kind of looks jungly but Christmassy at the same time. It looks so nice. It actually looks better in real life than in the video. It's quite hard to show how pretty it actually looks. I'm super pleased with how that looks. I wish I could keep that up all year. This little guy is new. I picked him up from a local garden centre a couple of days ago. Thought he went quite well with my theme this year. My woven stag is sat here next to my wooden barrel, which usually will sit in my Tiki Bar during the summer. I think it looks quite nice there. Over here next to my coffee machine is where I decided to display my little polar bears from Next. In my Quail Ceramics Walrus I've got a couple of picks that I got from Rustic 24 last year. This one is from the Garden Society. This one I can't remember where I got that from. That was last year as well. And then I've got some pheasant feathers in there. And over here in the corner I've attempted to do a Christmas themed tiered tray. So we've got this little sparkly owl that I also got from HomeSense. The acorns I got from a shop in Winchester. And this little reindeer I got from my friend last Christmas. The birds from HomeSense, the tree is from a shop in Winchester. And then I've just kind of mixed a little bit of foliage in there. So this was originally a pick that I kind of chopped up just so that I could use bits of it in my displays around the house. These bits here I've actually pulled off some of the Rustic 24 garlands. Because they're so bushy, you can actually get away with pulling a few bits off and using them in displays like this or on the coffee table, and it looks really nice. I also picked up this candle from HomeSense, and this little sign came from one of the local garden centres. I also picked up a set of these lovely tea towels from HomeSense. Thought they went really well with my theme this year. So in my hallway, this is where I decided to display my wooden heart. It's just hanging off one of my key hooks. Again, I've used bits of my Rustic 24 garland on this wooden beam display. Looks really lovely trailing off it. Here's where I decided to put the wooden Christmas tree, the star. This Coir Ceramics owl is new, I got him from eBay. And then we've got my bear from Next here at the end. It looks so cute, I love it. I might have to keep him out all year. I've got one of my other garlands here hanging off the banister. Looks really pretty. And then this is where I decided to hang the frosted star that I got from HomeSense. So as we go through into my living room, I still haven't completely finished decorating, but I just wanted to show you roughly what I've done so far, and then I'll do a proper Christmas tour a bit nearer to Christmas. So here on the coffee table, we have got, again, a bit more of my garland kind of chopped up. I got this little log cabin from Amazon. I'll link that below for you. It's meant to be an incense burner, but I just wanted to use it as part of my display here on the coffee table. This candle I picked up from HomeSense. It's called Winter Forest. It's got a nice wooden top, cute little log cabin on it. I think that looks really pretty, quite simple but effective. As you can see, I haven't finished setting up my dining table, so at the moment it's literally just this. But again, I'll show you that closer to Christmas. Here's a sneak peek at my Christmas tree. So all the ornaments I showed you are on here. Oh, it's looking lovely. I got a couple of new ornaments since I last filmed. I got this little bunny with a bird on his back. Very cute. And I got this acorn. Then over here next to my fire, I've got one of the other garlands, and then I've just weaved some fairy lights into it. Got my lights for fun candles here. So for now I decided to display my large stag here at the end of the sofa, but I think I might get rid of these red berries as I haven't really got any red in my decorations this year. I might swap this out for some frosted foliage to kind of blend in and match my other decorations. And then we've got a little gold stag that I picked up last year from HomeSense, just sat here. And this basket is new. This is from HomeSense, and I was just planning on putting some blankets in there. I also decided to pick up another one of these garlands, which I got from eBay, and I've just displayed that up here in the window, and I might also put some fairy lights up there as well. Here's some of the Floristic 24 picks displayed in my Coir Ceramics bear vase. And up here on the wall is my little antler home sign that I got from Next. I think that would be nice if it was a bit bigger, but still lovely. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed the video and hope it's given you some ideas and inspiration. So as I said, I'll be filming another Christmas tour a bit closer to the time, as I think I'll probably have a bit more decor by then and everything will be properly set up. But I'm starting to feel really festive. It's actually really cold here in the UK at the moment. It's lovely and sunny today, but it's really, really cold outside, and that just makes it feel even more festive, because usually we get quite a mild Christmas, but it seems a bit colder this year. Thanks again for watching, happy decorating, and I'll see you all soon.